Hello, happy Friday morning, friends, and welcome to another episode of Richie's Walk and Talk Recovery in the Nature series. I don't have any words of wisdom this week as I came out here to be inspired, and yes, I am inspired, but my mind's drawing a blank on a topic. And so, I will have to just reflect on this video and just send you a message of hope and that you're walking your path to recovery has been a successful one. Hoping these sights and sounds, without my words of wisdom, will help you this week. Get out, enjoy, take a break, take in some nature, reflect on what we have. Please send me a message. Be blessed, my friends. We'll talk to you soon.